Misha. So today I'm going to be doing a paper squishy update number 3, and tomorrow I might be doing a vlog, so maybe. So yeah, let's get started. First is I have this Walter watermelon. Then we have this sweet scented pig bun. Should have copied the cream marmalade. Then this slice of cake and sauce glory. Then I have this slice of cake, and then this Hawaii cookie. These chips. You can pause if you want to read. And I have this sweet scented frog bun. I did the big ones, a mini one. And lastly is I have this popcorn one. Yeah, and I might be doing a collection video soon, maybe on Saturday. So yeah, because I have a few here now. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below what else I should do. Bye!